What do you want?
Hey, I'll have the Caesar salad with ranch dressing, no croutons.
I'm not that hungry. I'll just have water.
Hey! You sit with us, you eat with us. He'll have a burger, no sauce.
How about you, cutie?
I better take it easy. I got a gig tonight. Let's go with the fried chicken teats, the breaded steak with brown sauce, deep fried, extra fried bacon wrapped meatballs, extra salt, okay? Double fried, refried, pan fried fries. Now, does that come with the chili cheese fries? It does? Okay, extra cheese, extra chili, double deep fry. Okay, triple decker roast beef sandwich, each layer a large pizza. And toast it in the deep fryer, would you? Also, can I get a bag of low carb chips and a diet soda? Do you deep fry that here?
Hey Rick, check this out. Heavy Meadows Fat Farm. I know I could use a vacation. And you're fat. What's wrong? Fat got your tongue?
I'm a little dizzy. Probably just hunger pains, you know?
Damn, Rick! Y'all looking half dead and shit. More than usual.
Shut up, Doug! We say we go rock these assholes!
Hey! Tell your brains to tell your asses to grab an umbrella!
Cause the weatherman be calling for a rock storm.
I wrote this one myself.
Teenage pantyhose, tight little bunny nose, purse full of flavored lube, boobies with an attitude, up with chicken wings, and then we'll eat some chocolate things. We'll walk along the train tracks, and maybe we'll have intercourse. Dream girl, dream lady, why won't you come to me in a dream?
Ricky, what's wrong?
Chest pains, cold sweat, itchy balls.
Hold on, cuz!
Get off me!
Yeah, it looks like a heart attack.
It looks like mumps.
Yeah! Ugh. He needs a doctor, not affection. To Brunwall!
I can't smell my fingers.
A heart attack? But he's only a teen! Dr. Brunwall, tell me the fat bastard's gonna live!
So, your dad died weeks ago. Get over it.
Cypress?
You never paid property taxes on his cottage, and now the city's gonna sell it. So get up there and clear out your shit.
I don't want to swim in the past. That water upsets me. Get rid of it! Gotta beep. Sons of butchers!
The fat bastard is going to live. Ricky suffered a massive heart attack. He must stay free of stress, time off work, plenty of sleep.
So shit be pretty much the same.
Go somewhere serene, peaceful.
And he must follow my strict diet plan.
You're as good as dead. You don't start dieting, you're gonna fucking die.
But I've been dieting. I've only been eating 2 of everything.
So, maybe the cottage is the peaceful place Ricky's fat heart needs.
Yeah, Saul. It'll be relaxing planning all of our dead dad shit.
All right, we'll go. I'll try to forget my memories. But we just might have 2 broken hearts to take care of.
Oh, man! Smells like baked piss. Just like I remember.
I know. The blood stains, the cigarette burns, that glory hole. It's Dad. I can't forget these memories.
Maybe there'd be some old-timey porno up in here. Vintage skin.
Hey, who's your friend?
I don't know.
that's heart attack number 2, Rick. You best lay back and take it sleazy.
That bullshit-eating hobo just freaked me out is all.
I'm fine. Hey, relax. You're not a dog. You don't got 5 lives.
Stop playing veterinarian and call Brunwald.
Brunwald's on vacation. Here, eat healthy.
Doug, you want to hit this? Doug!
So you've been living in the basement?
Hey, that's right. I like shelter, you know?
Don't we all? I really like this shelter.
Hey, I kind of like the glory hole, huh?
How long you been here, buds?
I lived here for many years in peaceful seclusion, like a serial killer, you know, looking for roofies.
I hear ya. It's just too bad we're getting roinked in the tax hole.
Hey, I sympathize with your dilemma, Sausalito, but you know, if it's money that you require, there's a fishing derby.
You could plug the tax hole, Saul.
Well, I've never fished before, but how hard must it be? Here, Doug, go get me some bullets.
I believe to catch fish you need worms, you know?
Worms? As bullets? Technology.
Shit! I'm so hungry! I need to get me some real food. Heart attacks or not, this rock machine needs grease.
Yep. I've never hunted fish before, but once I get me some of them worm bullets, no fish on 4 legs is safe. Pow!
Always nice to have a rookie fisherman join the fun.
But fish don't have legs, son.
And they live in the water.
Like on boats? When did this happen?
Yo, dog! You surrounded by honeys!
What the dilly?
Extra, extra! Irvin at it again! Buys groceries!
I'm Irvin Legend. Somehow I'm always making the front page. I don't even try.
That's cool!
No, being a media attraction has ruined my life. I've had enough of the press, the autograph hounds, the women. Why me?
Come on with the worms, Doug. We're losing time here. The fish got boats. Yeah, that's it. That's a good idea. Don't mind if I do.
I tell you, these skids have less than me, you know? Hey, they must have something in here that'll help me get roofies. Hey, what do you know? Soul's secret stash. Butt floss. Yeah. Hey, let's see what Ricky's got, eh? Ah! Let's have a look at Doug here, okay? Hey, his is definitely smaller than mine. All right, okay.
Safe to say this is the biggest one you're ever gonna see. Now give me some money.
Oh my, swordfish aren't common to the freshwater lakes in this region.
And they usually aren't stuffed.
Or mounted.
You have to catch a live fish, Mr. Butcher.
Fine! But I'm taking this!
Sweet pain. Brunwald!
Fat Ricky!
I took your advice. There's no fries in this grease. I already look skinnier.
Right, and I don't molest unconscious patients. If you don't start eating healthier, you'll die fat!
You weren't eating this.
Irvin mofo be off the hook! I got to get some of that attention.
Hey, why don't you get off your ass and perform a heroic deed, you know?
What do you mean?
Help someone, you know? Perhaps you could save that little old lady from that oncoming truck there.
Hey! For real?
Ah, the old fishing hole. That's amazing. You little buggers can hold your breath for a while. That's awesome. Good luck with that, buddy. Moron.
Ooh, oh, help me, little fishies. Why you swimming away? I just wanna kill you to get some money so they don't take the cottage away. Cause I'm not a very smart man, and some might say I'm insane. Goddamn fishies, you're driving me crazy. It makes me want to. Nothing's working! Nothing's working! Nothing's working! Nothing's working!
There was only some way I could pull them out of the water without them seeing me.
Fish! I hear they're healthy.
Hey, that fish is rotten. Come on, you want to get a tapeworm?
No thanks. I think I'll just eat it like this. Idiot.
No, you could get a tapeworm from eating that. They cause rapid weight loss and possibly death.
Whoa! Weight loss?
Daddy, I pooed in my pants.
I love you, son.
Oh, Papa.
Hey, shithead, open the fridge.
Okay.
Thanks, shithead.
Ouch! Thanks, Dad. Oh, it's cold. Well, here goes something.
Mr. Butcher, the use of live bait is against Derby rules. Only lures are permitted.
Lures? Well, I haven't seen him since the 5th grade. Where is he? Lou! Lou! Lou!
Yo! I've been abducted by aliens and shit. I got proof.
That's not a UFO, it's a frisbee.
No, it ain't. You flying saucer.
It is. Stop the presses!
Extra, extra! Aliens from space abduct man without his blessing!
Thank you.
Whoa! I can feel the tapeworm. Kinda tickles. He must be chowing down already. Now I just kick back and watch the pounds melt away. God bless you, tapeworm.
God bless you, tapeworm. Gonna eat my ass up. Foods I don't dream of. Even stuff that's not food. Yeah. With the tapeworm, calories burn. With all the food you eat. So eat. I love you, tapeworm, making me all skinny and shit. Even stuff that's not food, like a blender. With the tapeworm, calories burn. With all the food you eat, so eat.
These pipe bombs should lure me some fish. Oh dear God. Hey! There's a bomb in the boat! Get out of the boat! My boat!
Oh, there's Saul.
Hello, Saul! That might have been my fault, the bomb and everything.
Is this your idea of a lure?
Bombs are definitely against Derby rules.
Saul, you're not a smart man, are you?
Skinny Ricky?
Hey! Amazing what a bit of self-discipline could do, huh?
That doesn't look like an approved food item.
Dude, I've dropped like 80 pounds. Give me a break, would ya?
You weren't eating this.
I'm hungry.
This blood is brown? Gravy? Your blood has turned to gravy?
Let me see. Just like Dad used to make.
Righteous.
You are in worse conditions than when we started. I am at a loss. Just get fat again.
Absolutely.
Oh, Ricky. Ricky, please don't attack your heart anymore. I gotta go find Fish.
This tapeworm is really starting to hurt.
Well, it's been a crazy time living in the limelight. Now it's time to punch nuts. Say cheese.
Oh, God. I gotta get rid of this tapeworm.
Any fish in there?
What?
Oh, God! You know what you need? Fresh fish. Now, what do you say we go dip our poles in that big wet spot, see if we can't catch something? Oh! I've been out here for 2 hours, and I ain't got dick! Oh, I need a drink. Oh, poor little guy. This is just what he needed. Thanks, that was some good throwing. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Holy moly! Sweet Mary! Holy fuck! Whoa! Sperm whale!
Fame ain't all cracked up to me, y'all. I've been living a lie. There ain't no alien. I've been making it up.
But why?
For the attention. For the limelight. But it's all over now. Because I can't masturbate in peace.
Liar! Cover up!
Oh, yeah? Cover up this, biatch!
Extra, extra! Read all about it! Alien cover up!
So?
Disqualified.
What? What for? This is the biggest fish! It's a freaking whale!
This isn't a frickin' sea monster derby, Saul!
We're looking for a large walleye or bass. Regular fish that you could perhaps eat.
You can eat this one! Watch! Daddy's cottage! Oh, thank you, sperm whale!
What is that?
Oh no, please, God!
Extra, extra! Urban legend back at it! Discover sea monster!
Irvin's back! Let's go find him!
Alone at last.
You want your headline? Well, I got your headline right here!
Thanks for getting rid of that tapeworm, Saul. I owe ya.
I have no idea what you're talking about, but what do you say I stab this whale to death? We'll throw her on the barbecue and we'll fatten you up.
I'd like that.
I was with Prenzel's buddy's buddy eating a salami wedge with liquid cheese,
Hey,
you know?
y'all!
Hello, my roofies! Oh, I missed you. Where you been?
You ain't taking it for a walk. We're barbecuing it.
Are you kidding? You can't do that. This is my pet Gricknaws, Roofies. Come on, I've been searching for him for a long time. You must be confused. Forgive me. I am Nedwab, part of the nomadic space tribe of Manood. 1,000 years ago, I stopped on your planet to take what you humans call a piss break. And Roofies escaped his leash and disappeared. I vowed I would walk your planet in human form until I found my friend. And now I have. And I thank you. Now I know I hid my ship around here somewhere.
Are we gonna eat that goddamn thing or what?
We lost the Derby, we just lost our whale dinner, and we lost Dad's cottage.
But we still got one night.
Yeah, and we'll always have the memories.